Mandarin essential oil. Now, if you have any problems with sleep, getting to sleep, staying asleep, Mandarin is one of the best sleep oils. There's pretty much, I make a lot of blends for people for sleep, and Mandarin is one of my go-tos, which always helps. So a little bit more about Mandarin. One of my favorite oils as well, beautiful, sweet, subtle smelling oil. Citrus reticulata is the Latin name of the oil, and it's primarily cultivated in Sicily. So Sicily is an island just off the coast of Italy, and it's very famous for its citrus. So it has a big volcano there, Mount Etna, which also helps to make the soil really fertile, and it also affects the climate so that the days are warm and the evenings are really cool, which is perfect conditions to create beautiful citrus. So a lot of the Mandarin that you'll buy is cultivated in Sicily, and they extract the oil from the skin of the fruit via cold expression, which is basically squishing it until the oil comes out. The only thing you have to be a little bit careful of with Mandarin essential oil is that it is photosynthesizing. So if you put it on the skin, you just have to be careful that you don't go out in the sun straight afterwards, because it can intensify the effects of the sun on the skin. But what is Mandarin great for? So as I mentioned, fantastic for sleep issues. It's also great for nervous tension, for anxiety, so it's a very, very calming oil. And that's because of its main constituent, which is limonene. So limonene, when you're buying Citrus reticulata, you need to just be careful that you look at the chemical constituents of it. And if you're buying from a reputable supplier, they will be able to provide you that. And if it's more than 75% limonene, then you know that it's probably been adulterated with sweet orange oil. So you need to be careful that you're getting pure oil, and it shouldn't be more than 75% limonene in it. But that limonene is the critical constituent that gives it its fantastic calming and sedative properties, so helping with sleep and anxiety and all those things. Also fantastic for digestive issues. So if you're having any issues with excess gas, reflux, if you've got any sort of constipation, it's great. It's a mild laxative as well, so you can use it in a blend to rub on the belly. And you'll find when you're in Sicily, one of the favorite things that they like to eat is freshly baked bread, drizzled warm with pure olive oil, all washed down with a glass of Mandarin juice. Doesn't that just sound fantastic? And they'll often bring out a bowl of mandarins to put on the table at the end of a meal so that people can eat them because of its great digestive qualities. So there's a little couple of tips about Mandarin essential oil. Another one of my favorites, a really beautiful oil. And if you want to learn a little bit more about how to use it, what to blend it with, and especially for things like sleep, I've got my little sleep course about to come out, which you can sign up for. Mandarin's one of the oils I talk about in the course, and how to blend it with some other great oils to help you get to sleep, stay asleep, and have a great quality sleep. So keep an eye out for that, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.